And does the technology and design in your wind turbines allow for offshore deployment?
Well, we got approached many years ago by a Danish company that wanted to use our turbines on a barge and off the coast of Denmark in the Baltic Sea because they would get 8 hours of wind and then they get 8 hours of waves following the wind. And they wanted to put in the barge a device that would generate electricity when the barge rocked. And so the idea was, oh, our turbines on the top of that barge would produce energy for 8 hours, and then the barge would produce 8 hours of energy from the waves, and then it would be a battery that would store the extra. And so they could create a 24/7 device. Well, I've always liked that idea. And so I think that, yeah, we're, small turbines for archipelago islands, for harbors, for places like that. But I don't think we'll ever be in that massive wind farm market offshore where they're building, 10 and 20 megawatt machines. No, we'll be in a more of a niche market on barges.